Hello everyone! Today, we'll learn how to perform a GET request on Shopify products using Python for retrieving and managing data programmatically. Make sure you have a Shopify account and basic Python knowledge. If not, create a Shopify account and let's dive in. Before we start coding, we must set up your Shopify store. Log in to your Shopify account and navigate to App and Sales Channel Settings. Click on Develop Apps. Allow custom app development and create a new app. Once the app has been created, go to Admin API Scopes and select the required scopes. For this tutorial, only the product scopes are needed. Click Save and proceed to the API Credentials section. Click on Install App. This step will provide you with the API Access Token. Make sure to store this token securely as it will only be revealed once. Also, take note of your Shopify URL as it will be needed later. Now, ensure you have the necessary Python libraries. If not, install the requests library by running pip install requests or pip3 install requests depending on your Python environment. As I already have requests installed, it displays requirements already satisfied. Refer to Shopify's REST Admin API documentation for the GET request URL. Now, let's dive into the Python code. Open your favorite code editor and let's create a new script. I'll call mine Shopify_get.py. Make sure to replace placeholders like are your store names and your _access token with your actual Shopify store information and API credentials. To retrieve all our products, we only need products.json in our URL. The product ID section is not necessary. Let's move on to the next section to test our script. Open your terminal, navigate to the scripts directory and run Python or Python 3 Shopify_get.py. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your Shopify products data printed on the screen. Now let's attempt to access and manipulate this data. Retrieve the title with the title key. Access variants with the variant key. The following for loop prints out all the available keys that can be accessed. Feel free to manipulate the data according to your requirements. Great job! You've learned to perform a GET request on Shopify products using Python. Customize and extend the code as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!